Good morning, my dear pupils. How are you today? How was the weekend? Great. So let's start our lesson. Before we start our lesson, let's sing a song. Do you remember we have learned a lot of songs? Here comes the train. Do you remember the songs? Let's sing a song before we start our lesson. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start.
Here comes the train.
On platform A,
Here comes the train.
it's long and red.
Here comes the train.
What's the time? What's the time?
It's 3 o'clock.
On platform B,
Here comes the train.
it's short and grey.
Here comes the train.
What's the time? What's the time? It's 3:15.
On platform C, here comes the train. It's very fast, it doesn't stop. What's the time? What's the time? It's 3:30. On platform D, here comes the train. It's very slow,
And
it stops. What's the time? What's the time? It's 4:45. Great. So let's start our lesson, people. Before we start our lesson, I would like to ask you to open your test book. Today we're gonna have a test and we're gonna have revision time. We already finished the unit number 13, so today we're gonna have test, okay? Please open your test book. If you don't have a test book, please open the new copybook for the tests, okay? And write down the date. What is the date today? Today is the 13th of April. What is the date today? Today is Monday, right? Test. So our first question is about present continuous tense. Do you remember on unit number 12 we have learned present continuous tense, right? So our second question is about present continuous tense. First, I am walking in the garden. So do you remember about the auxiliary verbs? I mean verb to be. On the first place, we used to use what? Am, right? So I tell only the first answer. The rest one you find yourself, okay? So you can write it all those, or either you can write the correct answer only. And if you're gonna write the answers, please write the answers with the green pen or black pen or red pen. It's okay. Okay? So you need to write it here with the red pen or green pen or black pen. Or either you can write all those answers and you can circle the correct answer. Okay? Do you understand me? Perfect. So next, second question is, my mom in the kitchen now. Which one is correct? Cooks? Is cook or is cooking? Please think about present continuous tense. The third question is, look, my dad, the piano. Which one is correct? A is playing, B are playing, C play. The fourth question, I now. A is dancing, B, sorry. B, are dancing. C, am dancing. Which one is correct? Do you remember? On the third place, we used to use which auxiliary verb? Which verb to be? The fifth question. My grandmother, a teacher. It's very easy, right? The sixth question. The sixth question is about modal verbs. What kind of modal verbs do you know, pupils? We have learned three types of the modal verbs, right? They're ability modal verb. It's can, must, and need. Today we are going to have the questions about the ability modal verb can. So look at the 6 questions. Which one is correct? My sister the piano very well. Can't, can, have to. Which one is correct? The seventh. Birds fly, but they run. So you'll write here 2 answers. Here, can or can't. So which one is correct? A, can, can't. B, can, C, can't, can. It's very easy for you, right? The next, 8th question. A rabbit play chess, but eat carrot. A, can't, can, can't. C, can't, can. So we'll write it here 2 answers. Here first, which one is correct? Can't or can't? So have a think, peoples. The 9th question. 9th question is about auxiliary verbs. Do, does, are, is, am. If you remember, we have learned all these auxiliary verbs on the second form, in the second class, right? Let's do the review. The 9th question. Look at the questions, please. You know the telephone number. So what we will do? We will complete these questions. Sentence. Do or does or is. And are. We have learned all the common questions, right? There were do, does. And what kind of verb to be do you know? The present simple. They are, is, am. When we use are, when we use the verb to be is, when we use am. You know very well, right? About all these auxiliary verbs. The next 10th question. Look at the question, please. He like horse. Please, people, pay attention for their question mark as well, okay? This is a question. And here as well, on the 9th questions. Which one it might be from those answers? Does he like or do he like or are he likes horse? The next 11th question is, are they like reading? Please pay attention for that question mark as well. This is also one question. So which one is correct? Oh, sorry. Which one is correct? Do, does, or is? So people, please think deeply and write it the correct answers, okay? The next, 12th. Your mom like cooking. Here is also going what? Questions mark. So which one it might be? Do, does, or are? The next 13th question is of coffee. It's just like a sentence. If you remember, when we learned about the dinner time, when we learned about the lunch time, when we learned about the wedding time, we learned all these sentence new words, right? Which one it might be? A cup of coffee, or bottle of coffee, or bowl of coffee? So please write it down the correct answer. The next, I like. The first, potatoes. Second, potatoes. Third, potatoes. Which one is correct? I guess it's very easy for you as well. Fifth question. When do you TV? Every day or Sunday? Look at the first answer. When do you see TV or watch TV or look TV? If you remember from the unit number 7 or 8, we have learned the daily activities, right? Get up, watch TV, do my homework, go swimming. Please remember this all your new words so you can do the 15th question is easily. Okay? The next. The 16th question is the cat white. It is black. Which one is correct? Aren't or isn't or is? The cat is on the third place, right? If you remember, on the third place, which auxiliary we used to use? Are, is, or isn't? The next, 17th. This is my dog. Name is Jack. A. Our. B. We. C. It's. The next, 18th questions. The train's ready to traveling. A. Are. B. Is. C. B. Which one is correct? The trains. Pay attention for their letter as trains. The next question is the picture there or there is or there was. We learned there is their auxiliary verbs there, right? So which one is correct? Picture on the walls and carpets on the floor. There was, or there is. The next. So in the last unit we have learned about what? The adjectives, right? So if you remember, we have learned the degrees of comparison as well. When you compare with someone, we used to use what? Then, right? So look at the 20th question. My sister is than me. A. The tallest. B. Taller. C. Tall. Which one is correct? The next, look at the 20 ones of questions. My house is then his house. Big, the biggest, bigger. The last question is my room is then hers. A. The cleanest. B. Clean. C. Cleaner. Which one is correct? So peoples, today you have our 22 questions. So if it will be hard for you, just write down only the correct answers here with black pen or green pen or red pen, okay? Or either you can write all these answers and you can circle the correct answer, okay? So peoples, thank you for your attention, and your homework is workbook page number 101, exercise 1, 2, 3, and repeat all new words. Peoples, I would like to ask you, when you learn by heart new words, please take a video once you tell the new words, and take a video and send it to me direct, okay? I will wait for your videos. Some of you're not taking a video once you tell the new words. Even I'm messaging you how many times, you're not answering, but you're not sending the videos, okay? I will wait for your videos. Please repeat all new words and send me the video, okay? Which will you learn it on unit number 13, okay? Almost how many words we learned on unit number 13? 25 new words. So I will wait for your all new words video, okay? Thank you for your attention, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.